How you guys doing? Kyle with Brickworks Property Restoration. We're down here at the Novi Home Show all weekend. Why don't you come around our booth and take a look at what we got going on. So real quick, we're showing off some of our sealants that we use on all of our projects. As you can see here, the water beads off to one side but doesn't on the other. Over here we got a heat shield display. And as you can see, let me pump a little smoke into here. You can see how the smoke comes out the one that doesn't have the heat shield, but it stays in the other. It's good for winterizing your chimney. We'll come back around here, show off the little Super Bowl giveaway we got. Cooler, some snacks, TV. You can win that, just come, you gotta be present to win. Got some of the team out here helping us help all of our customers. Another thing we got going is we're out here supporting Haven Homes of Detroit, a nonprofit that we work with. For every appointment booked, we're donating $5. Also 5% of every job sold. If you come to the Novi Home Show this weekend, stop by and say hello.